Hello Bollywood Life viewers, I am Sanskriti Nemane, your host, and today I have with me the cute innocents Anshula, Sufi and Jannat and the sharp traitor Elnaz.
Love it.
Love this intro. So welcome to Bollywood Live.
Thank you.
And firstly, season 2 announced हुआ है and I read Sufi's comments. I want to redo. Is that the same for everyone?
I just
Where did you
commented
comment?
that as a joke. I
Okay,
don't
so
want
you
to
don't want
redo. No. I'm very glad. One and done.
Okay.
We're the OGs.
Yeah.
We're
Yeah,
gonna
okay.
stay the OGs.
Yeah. Like how
Always.
Rakhi Sawant was for Big Boss season 1, I am to Traitors season 1.
Definitely. This was iconic one, I would say.
Thank you.
So we started with the traitor Elnaz. When you left, we saw everyone was clapping and everyone was shocked actually. Ki how can she be the traitor? And when you came out also, we see the love pouring in for you. But your friend has been upset. Sahil has been saying that आपको अपनी friend को नहीं निकालना चाहिए था पहले. What would you say
I want
about
her to
it?
just read him once. Just read him. Just speak your mind.
You do you.
I think see what we need to understand is that we all went to play a game.
Yeah.
And when you're playing a game, there are rules for the game that you need to follow.
Yeah.
And we were not only just playing a game just like this, gathered together. We were playing a game that was costing more than 100 crores to make. And I am nobody to mess that up for the production. So I don't think I can take decisions like that when it comes to a game and
Yeah.
to a production and a show like that. And if somebody is not understanding enough to get that, then I don't think I need to take that kind of a weight on me.
Yeah. Even Anshula, you were upset with when Sahil got out and
Yeah, because I thought I'm making a friendship, so I was upset कि मेरे दोस्त को निकाल दिया. I was not upset from an emotional point of view.
yeah.
Mera alliance.
Yeah, like we spoke a lot on the first day in the palace because we
Yeah.
were also in the car together when we were entering the palace, and I thought that maybe, and I wanted to have more conversations with him as well. So
Yeah.
I was like, maybe he could be somebody I can bounce things off of. So I was of course every innocent gets upset when another innocent is murdered.
And by the way, I don't understand why nobody is really thinking about how I'm feeling in this.
Yeah.
It's always about everybody else's feelings, but not about me. I was the one who suggested Sahil for this show when the showmakers came to me. I gave his name because he was a friend of mine and I always want him to do well and I've always had his back. And when I'm put in a position like that as a traitor in that secret tower
Yeah.
with two other traitors who are very, very overpowering, why doesn't anybody ever ask me how I was actually feeling removing my friend who could have been my alliance in there?
Yeah.
So again, coming back to the fact that a coin always has two sides.
Hashtag justice for Elnaz. Hashtag justice for Elnaz.
Okay, that will start soon also on
Love it.
social media. Anshula, this is your first reality show. How was the experience and how was the family reactions? Because even you were there and Mahi, your chachi was there. How was the reaction?
I don't think half my family has seen the show yet. I know like my siblings haven't seen much of it. Bhaiya hasn't seen the show yet. So from the point of view of reacting to the show, वो हम आपको बाद में बताएंगे जब वो आ जाएगा तो reaction.
Yeah.
But when I was trying to make the decision on do I want to take this opportunity or not, they were a little bit surprised that I'm even considering doing something like this. But then they were quite encouraging because it's in our family the choice is always with the person who has to make the choice.
Yeah.
So the choice was always mine, and I know that I always have them being supportive.
Yeah. True. Okay, so I want to ask you all. Purav ne after Elnaz left, उसने एक recruit किया है, and he decided to take his own friend. And Turant we saw Harsh was the big question. Everybody was suspecting him only. Do you think that decision was right? And if not, whom he should have recruited in place of Harsh?
He
think
should have not
whoever-
removed his fellow traitor in the first place.
Yeah,
But
that's
Should
also-
have won the game.
Also, we were at that point in the game that whoever he would have recruited, there was no way you've set such
Yeah.
a baseline for yourself as an innocent. There's no way that you don't suddenly start behaving differently. It was one of those most crucial junctures. So he must have selected a friend thinking that I'll have a companion, not realizing that he is putting him under the bus.
This is what I was trying to explain earlier when I said at that point in time when there are only 2 traitors left, it is the wrong decision to throw your fellow traitor
Yeah, you
under
have
the
to
bus
keep them
and
together.
recruit somebody else. It is
Yeah.
just not the right thing to do in that game at that point. And we saw how it turned out.
Yeah, true. Also, Sufi, Purab and you have been friends, and when he threw your picture
Purav and me.
in the
Yeah.
Purav, you and
You were
Apurva
friends na in the show.
Okay,
in the
yes.
show,
Yeah.
and when he threw your photo, at that time you 3 were together and you were holding hands and going up. And now when you have seen the show, did you feel betrayed that he threw it?
No, but I mean, Purav and me as such are not such deep friends by, I mean, from, what happened?
Someone's sleeping behind the snoring.
Yeah, they're snoring.
Yeah, I mean, Purav and
Can
I
we
are
take
not
care of
friends
that?
as such from before the show, and we aren't
Yeah.
like we haven't like necessarily hung out or gone
Uh-huh.
out that much post the show as well. So there's no cold energy from my end. I don't care. Like I would have wanted to last longer and see the finale, but at the end of the day, that's just his like
I
task,
have a
and he did what he
question
did.
here because now it just now struck me because I was just reliving the entire episode bit again. When he reads the letter, it's supposed to be that while we are still there,
Yeah.
before the night ends, you're supposed to murder
Yes.
someone. But didn't he throw your photo after the gong?
No, he
No.
threw it before we left the area.
Everybody else had left. Only the 3 of
So
them
yeah,
were
he
left.
did it, but they had to let that go through because otherwise
It would
he
not have
would
happened.
messed up the
Otherwise, they would have.
mission.
They could have maybe been like, "Oh, it's not murder."
But ये
No,
तो
but
plot
they-
hole,
but
but
they
ये
let
plot
them go
hole तुम
through.
production को सुनाती तो शायद में होता episode 9
मैं
पे.
वहां पे थी नहीं. मैं सबसे पहले गॉन्ग बज के निकल गई थी almost.
Yeah, it's no hard feelings. It's just a show. We all got paid very nicely to be
Yeah.
on it, and I'm very happy with everything.
Okay. So Traitors is a show, which has become popular, and after experiencing the dhoka all over, has this changed your perspective in real life too? मतलब क्या आप सबको in that way you look?
नहीं.
देखो मतलब
वो
मुझे तो
गेम था,
लोग
हमें गेम खेलना था,
Yeah.
हमें गेम में सबको शक करना था, हम गेम खेल के आ गए वापस. अब लाइफ अगर ऐसे जिएंगे तो मर जाएंगे हम.
और मुझे तो लोग पहले भी पसंद नहीं करते थे, अब भी पसंद नहीं करते हैं, तो मेरे लिए तो
अरे,
लाइफ
it was
इज
like
सेम.
it's not
true.
हाँ, मतलब लाइफ इज
Yeah.
सेम. And Elnaz has added up as my reassurance. Like whenever I'm
Yeah.
feeling sad, she gives me reassurance. So that's the one big change from the show.
Okay, great. Also, पूरव एक ऐसा ट्रेटर रहा है जिसको स्टार्टिंग से किसी ने शक नहीं
आपका
किया
फेवरेट
उस पे.
पूरव है क्या? आपने 3 सवाल पूरव पे पूछ लिए, यहाँ 4 और कंटेस्टेंट हैं.
I am asking your perspective on that.
I'm just joking. Yeah.
On what? On what was the question?
How he's वो शक में आए ही
किसी
नहीं
ने शक
कभी
नहीं
भी
किया
नहीं.
day one
Actually
से
किए
उस पे।
थे. I
Yeah.
remember
किया
having a
था.
conversation,
Yeah.
but we were discussing this in another interview where like there were a couple people who did think that he could be the traitor. I was one of them. I just wish that we went full throttle on it. उसका नाम जब भी आता था वो बाकियों के लहर में वो छुप जाता था. So I guess that is a learning for us.
और हम चिल्ला चिल्ला के थक भी चुके थे थोड़ा. जब तक हम पूरव तक पहुंचे, तब तक हम हमारा चिल्लाना और मुद्दा क्रिएट करना एग्जॉस्ट कर चुके थे.
ट्रू. बट डू यू थिंक ऐसी कोई क्वालिटी है उनमें जो अब तक छुपे हुए? क्योंकि एलनास के टाइम पे उन पे शक आया था, बट अभी वापस ऐसा हो गया था कि नहीं वो नहीं हो सकता.
आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट दैट रफ्तार ने उनके लिए इतना अच्छा एक
Base
वो
create किया.
कर दिया था कि ये तो बच्चा है, ये तो ट्रेटर हो ही नहीं सकता. अरे बाबू, अगर पूरव जा होता तो मुझे बता दिया होता. So it's that's like it's not even observation based. It was all feeling based. So in everybody's heart, it was that Purav Jha cannot be the traitor.
Yeah.
Especially after Raftar's elimination and then his Rona Gana and all. Hi Rabba, when he knew that Raftar is innocent. So
Plus,
like,
on the show,
girl,
we were never looking.
why you gagging?
But on the show, we were never looking for the quiet ones. We were always thinking कि जो extra ड्रामे वाले हैं वही होंगे, because I think हमने वो ट्रेड राज की इतनी हाथ में ले ली थी कि हम वही ढूंढ रहे थे कि कौन ऐसे जा रहा
Yeah,
है
like who
emotions
will be
में.
the most obvious? Like
Yeah.
we were trying to be very obvious with our picks.
Which is why the people who were playing below the surface were going unnoticed.
And they even made it for so long. I mean,
Yeah, and that's
name
a
one
great
thing Sudhanshu
strategy.
Pandey ji
Yeah.
did in the last 9 episodes. Name one thing he did. What did he do?
He did that mission really well for the scarecrow. He carried the scarecrows and all with you all.
Yeah, that's because
that's
we
a
were all
mission.
just lazy assholes who didn't want to carry anything.
Okay, that
You
was
know?
a mission only.
Yeah, that was a mission.
Yeah, true.
Like strategically, I'm saying. So Sudhanshu ji was not able, like, he didn't say anything, he didn't say much. But that just...
Okay, so lastly, I want you guys to give me one word for one, name whom you wanted to see as the traitor. Definitely, जो नहीं थे उनके अलावा,
Jannat.
Apurva.
Jannat.
And Jannat, yeah.
Jannat. My one name is Jannat.
Jannat.
I would say Jannat and Anshula also, yeah.
And Jannat would?
मेरा नाम ले लो.
Sufi and Anshula.
सबका नाम आ गया guys.
मेरा नाम ले ले.
Sufi and Anshula.
Okay, I'll just ask a few questions and you just give me
A
one
few?
name.
अभी तक कितना?
बस.
Acha, this is rapid fire.
Yeah.
Guys,
Like that.
rapid.
Kind
Now,
of.
guys, rapid.
Rapid.
Okay. So if I ask the one cunning player.
Apurva.
Apurva.
अब हम नाम पे settle हो चुके हैं guys.
Okay, that's rapid now.
Let's get
Apurva. Next.
Boss, बोलो.
Vet कर लो questions.
Rapid fire for you now.
The unfit.
What?
Unfit.
Unfit
For
one.
the show?
Yeah.
Janvi ji.
Janvi ji. और Nikita also for that matter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's
She
go.
was
Nikita is a
poker
poker
player.
player, but
Next
she
question,
didn't make
next
one
question,
single good
next
The
observation.
unlucky one.
One single.
Unlucky one.
Nikita.
Unlucky.
Sahil,
Unlucky
unlucky.
one.
First
Sahil.
murder.
Sahil
Sahil,
and
unlucky.
Nikita.
First
Yeah.
murder.
And
Next.
And the
Raj
smartest.
Me.
Elnas.
Elnaz and Apurva.
Okay. So and that one friend you got for life in this show.
Elnas.
Apurva.
Sufi and
Anshula.
Apurva.
Okay. Great. So thank you so much, guys. And
We were
of
rapid,
course,
guys.
For the first time.
हमारे
I
लिए
love
मुझे ज्यादा
you
rapid
all in the
चाहिए.
show. And ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरव मेरे favorite है.
I was joking.
I have
You have your
a
own
lot of
favorites.
names. I have a lot of names to give.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
guys.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.